Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decisions. Your one like will motivate me to be regular and working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of silver futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a weekly chart of silver futures. So here you can see that how the silver futures have been constantly facing sell-off above the levels of $28.706. Since then, we've seen a sharp downward move. The silver futures have found a strong bearish pressure here and continued to move downward and tested a low at the levels of $22.268 in August 2021. But once again, we have found some bounce back here, but this bounce back was sold here during the last week. So here I find that the immediate resistance for silver futures could be at the levels of 24, and the next major resistance will be at the levels of 25.597, where the 26 days moving average could provide strong resistance to silver futures, because here you can see the formation of a bearish crossover in a weekly time frame could keep the silver under heavy selling pressure. So here you can see that how the silver futures have been constantly found a bearish pressure since the formation of this bearish crossover in July 2021, and now this bearish crossover has become very steeper, where the 9 days moving average finally take a downward move below the 26 days moving average, and the silver futures are much below the 9 days moving average, which confirms the continuity of this downward trend in silver futures, where the immediate support can be seen for silver at the levels of $22.164, and the next support will be at the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of $21.294. But a breakdown below this level could keep the silver futures to test the levels of $19.867, and here I find that this level could be very decisive, because here a breakdown means a lot for silver futures, because in that case the silver futures could test the levels of 16 during the upcoming weeks. So friends, here I find that the weakness is going at a higher speed in silver futures. Friends, now let us check these moves in a daily time frame. So friends, here you can see that how the silver futures have been constantly facing selling pressure since June 11, 2021, when this exhaustive candle was formed in the daily time frame, which got confirmation with this formation on June 14th and June 15th. And since then, we've seen a sharp downward move here in silver, and the silver futures continued to move downward and found a breakdown below the lower end of Ichimoku cloud here. And here you can see that how the silver futures continue to struggle here to enter inside the Ichimoku cloud, but could not sustain here. And finally, the silver futures started to move downward on July 16, when the silver futures found a breakdown below the levels of $26.137. So this level seems to be a decisive level for silver futures, where the silver futures once again tried to test this level but found stiff resistance here and continued to remain under heavy selling pressure when the silver futures finally tested a low at the levels of 22.304 on August 9. Undoubtedly, the silver futures have some buying support here, but still the overall trend looks bearish due to the formation of this bearish crossover in the daily time frame, which could keep the silver futures under bearish pressure, because here you can see that the silver futures are still sustaining well below the 9 days moving average, which confirms the continuity of selling in silver futures. In case of every upward move, the 26 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $24.42, will continue to provide selling pressure here. So friends, here I find that any breakout above the levels of $24 could attract bears to go short from the levels of $26. So overall trend looks very bearish, and here I find that a breakdown below the levels of $22 could push the silver futures towards the levels of $16 during the upcoming weeks. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.